this is Soumya and you're watching The Global Tales. Welcome back to my channel. And since a very long time you have been requesting me, and I have made a couple of videos on this, that how to get slim legs, slim thighs, and I have been getting these questions a lot, and you have been wanting the challenges based on that only. I have lots of challenges based on that, but yes, in today's video I'm going to give out some secrets, some important things that you should know. So yes, stay tuned for this amazing video that's going to help you and get all your answers when it comes to your slim legs, slim thighs and everything. So yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update from my channel. Slim legs, slim thighs or spot reduction, scientifically it has been not proved yet that you can spot reduce, but definitely when you target particular muscle groups, you can tone them up, you can work on overall fat percentage of your body. So what we are talking about today is how you can actually reduce the fat percentage in your body, what important secrets can be included in your life that can really help you in fat reduction and the most vulnerable parts of your body, that is your legs, your thighs, where the cellulite gets developed. So yes, we are going to talk about how you can reduce that fat content. So secret number one has to include more fiber in your diet. Now this is something that you all know, but it is all scattered. You don't actually include it in your life. So first thing has to be including fiber, soluble fiber. So when it comes to including fiber, you have to include lots of vegetables, fruits and seeds. So I've recently made a video on how to include seeds in your diet. If you want, I can link here. It's very important to include flex seeds in your diet in order to get rid of the fat content so that your body's metabolism is boosted, your food is digested properly and you get the best possible results. So first thing has to be including flax seeds in your diet. Secondly, go with coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a healthy fat that's required by your body. So what we talk about is protein, carbs and fats. So if you provide healthy fats to your body, your appetite would be reduced and you will not be craving for unhealthy fats and you'll not be craving for unhealthy stuff in your life. So yes, go with coconut oil. Start using coconut oil in your black coffee. Start using preparing food with coconut oil. It will really help your body get ample amount of fat that is required for energy, and at the very same time, so it will really help your body in long term to get the best possible results when it comes to overall fat percentage being reduced. So yes. Third tip has to be including apple cider vinegar in your diet. Now when I say apple cider vinegar, I have a couple of videos on it, how you can use it and why it's important. But why I'm here putting it here is because I want you to know that apple cider vinegar actually reduces the appetite, makes sure that you get ample amount of energy, and at the very same time you don't consume more calories, more fat content. So it will really help you get rid of that extra cellulite from your body and from the most vulnerable parts and help you in getting a toned body for yourself. So yes, apple cider vinegar has to be a very important secret and should be included in your diet. Next tip has to be including probiotics. Now probiotics really promote healthy gut bacteria, helps in boosting your digestion, your metabolism. Again, I have put this a couple of times in my videos, but yes, you have to make sure that you include probiotics in your diet, be it through yogurt, curd, buttermilk, in your lunch. And if you are lactose intolerant, then you can go with probiotic supplements. But I highly recommend going for probiotics in your diet in order to get the best possible results when it comes to reducing fat percentage in your body. Last but not the least, be active. Now, as I say active, it's very, very important, because when your active to passive ratio is less, you tend to develop fat in the most vulnerable parts of your body. That's your upper body, your lower body, your belly fat. So it's very, very common. And people who really easily develop fat in their body, when they actually are not that active, you will see that there is a coagulation, there is cellulite development. So you have to be active. And in this video, I'm going to give you some exercises as well that that you can follow for yourself and get a toned body. And definitely try it. These are very, very effective exercises that I have been lately following and getting great results for me and my students. So definitely try it for yourself. So yes, we'll quickly get into some exercises that I'm going to share, and you have to follow it for the next 15 days.
We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could feel the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and